How to make money on Fiverr without skills. Make money online. Are you ready to embark on a journey to financial freedom through Fiverr? Today, we're here to guide you through every step, ensuring you understand the process thoroughly. You might be wondering how you can earn over $19,000 in just a few months from Fiverr. And we're about to reveal the secrets that will help you achieve this impressive feat. So let's dive in. The world of freelancing has never been more accessible, and Fiverr is at the forefront of this revolution. With over 60 million monthly visitors, Fiverr offers an incredible platform for you to showcase your skills and earn a substantial income. But how do you get started? It's not as complicated as it might seem. We'll guide you through every step, ensuring you understand the process thoroughly. Now, let's delve into various Fiverr gigs that offer fantastic opportunities and don't necessarily require specific skills. These gigs are accessible to virtually anyone who approaches them with dedication and a commitment to excellence. Number 1. Mockups. This gig presents an exciting chance for you to showcase your creativity. It involves pasting designs onto various products, creating stunning visuals without the need for advanced editing or graphic design skills. Platforms like Placeit.net provide free, user-friendly tools to assist you in this venture. The process is straightforward. Upload your design, make any necessary adjustments, and simply download the final mockup. It's a gig that opens doors to your creative potential. Number 2. Background removal. If you're not well-versed in Photoshop or graphic design, you can still excel in this gig. It's all about removing backgrounds from images, and there's a handy tool to make it easier: Remove.bg. With this platform, you can instantly eliminate backgrounds from images, creating clean and professional visuals. All it takes is uploading the image, clicking a button, and delivering the result. It's a straightforward task that offers a valuable service. Number 3. Website testing. Imagine getting paid to provide your honest feedback on websites. It's possible with this gig. The beauty of it is that you don't need prior experience or a formal education in web development. What's required is your straightforward, unbiased opinion. Many website owners are willing to pay for your valuable insights. It's an excellent opportunity to contribute your thoughts and get compensated for it. Number 4. Influencer marketing. If you have a substantial social media following, you can leverage your influence as a marketing tool. Brands are increasingly using influencers to spread the word about their products, services, and messages. You become a powerful voice, amplifying their reach to a wider audience. It's a role that taps into your existing social media presence. As an influencer, you have the freedom to choose which messages and brands align with your audience's interests. The average influencer can earn around $30,000 annually. However, those with a sizable following can earn 6 figures or more, making it a lucrative venture. Number 5. Spokesperson. Stepping into the role of a spokesperson can be an exciting career move. While it does require comfort in front of a camera, you'll often receive a script to guide you through your presentation. This means you don't have to be a natural wordsmith or improvisational expert. You can follow a prepared script. The key characteristics for a spokesperson are a friendly demeanor, a pleasing voice, and a captivating smile. Whether you're promoting products, services, or delivering messages, it's an opportunity to put your presentation skills to work. In the United States, spokespersons earn an average income of around $75,000 per year. Number 6. Video testimonial recording. Offering video testimonials is another highly sought-after gig on Fiverr. Companies are constantly on the lookout for authentic customers willing to provide favorable feedback on their products and services. Video testimonials are valued for their authenticity and credibility. You don't need advanced video editing skills for this gig. What's more important is a composed voice and genuine enthusiasm for the product or service you're endorsing. To break into this field, consider recording a sample testimonial for a fictitious product. It serves as your portfolio, showcasing your capabilities to potential clients. While professional testimonials can command prices of $800 or more from brands, your initial earnings may not reach those levels, but it undoubtedly demonstrates the potential within this niche. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. In the vast digital landscape, affiliate marketing stands out as a prevalent method for generating income. While this Fiverr gig doesn't require specialized skills, you will need a substantial social media following or a high-traffic blogging website to succeed. As an affiliate marketer, your role involves directing people to specific services or products, and you receive compensation for each successful referral. It's a performance-based system that rewards your ability to drive sales and conversions. Individuals engaged in affiliate marketing can secure an average income of approximately $65,000 per year. It's a venture that offers the potential for consistent earnings as long as you can channel traffic effectively. To maximize your earnings, consider offering your services on other platforms like peopleperhour.com, upwork.com, freelancer.com, and guru.com. Expanding your presence on multiple platforms opens up more opportunities and allows you to grow your freelancing empire. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey towards financial freedom. If you're interested in learning how to make money by copying and pasting images, check out the video on your screen now. It's time to unlock your potential and achieve the financial independence you've been dreaming of.